Hello guys, welcome to Robo Code Crafter. Today in this first part video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to program your Arduino card. Alright, for those who don't know what ChatGPT is, let me remind you or let me tell you. ChatGPT is a machine learning model that is trained to generate natural language text. Okay, what I mean by natural text is like generate the answer as a human being. And this platform was developed by OpenAI and it's free. So there is no need to pay something to use this platform. Okay. Now, if you are here, I assume that you already created your account. If you didn't, I recommend you to watch some video on YouTube or go on Google to see how to how to open an account on ChatGPT. Okay. Now, after create your open account, after create your account, I mean to open your after opening your account. Okay, after opening your account, guys, you will have one interface like this one, right? And then inside this rectangle here is where we're going to ask question. And then when you type your question here, you will have your answer. Remember, here we want to learn how to use Arduino, how to use ChatGPT to program our Arduino. So let's get started. First thing, what we're going to do is to ask to our chat, what is an Arduino? Let's go. What is an Arduino? Okay. And then we go for a second, then boom, we have our answer, which is what they say. An Arduino is an open source microcontroller board that is widely used for building electronic project. And then you see we have blah 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 blah, etc etc etc. We can even ask more information about it, or maybe we can ask even to the chat to give the explanation into another word, to another aspect, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask to the chat to tell me something that few people know about the Arduino. Let's go. Tell me something few people know about Arduino, right? And then boom, you see, look how this thing is insane, man. This thing is incredible. Look, you have all the information, you see, and then it's not wasting time directly. It's like less than 5 seconds you have your answer. See, less than 5 seconds. Let's see what they say. They say one interesting fact about Arduino is that it was originally developed as a teaching tool for design students at the Ivrea Interaction Design Institute in Italy. The founder of Arduino, Massimo Banzi, and David Quartier, bad for the name, I can't even spell it well, create the platform as a way to make it easier for students to build interactive projects using microcontroller. They initially called the platform wiring, you see, and it was based on the wiring platform developed by Hermano Barragan. The name Arduino was adopted later in reference to the bar in Ivrea called the Arduino Cafe, where the founder used to meet and work on a project. Wow, that's something good, man. That's something good. Okay, let's continue, guys. Now we're going to ask for some code. By asking for some code, we're going to ask for some basics because it's the first part for the video, guys. So let's ask for some basic code like blinking, for example. Okay, let's just type Arduino code to blink and LED. You see, here is an example. Here is a simple Arduino sketch that will make an LED blink on and off. You see, you have, oh, look how this thing is crazy, bro. Look, you see, voice setup, and then you have your void loop. I mean, for those who already know how to program your with Arduino, if you don't know, just type in the comment. I will show you. I will make probably some video on how to program your Arduino, how to understand Arduino. Okay, now when you have your code like this, right, you see I have this thing, copy code. The things you have to do is what? You just to press on copy code. Directly when you press, you have this copied. That means you already, all these things have been copied. So now you go to your Arduino software, which is this one. Okay, we just replace all this by the code we copied from the ChatGPT, and then we paste here. Now you have to understand what the LED here is. This one is where our LED is going to be connected to our microcontroller. So probably I can change this one so that we can easily understand. Let's declare this one as int. Okay, let's say const int because it's a pin. Let's call it LED so that you can easily understand. And then we say equal to 13. Okay, now I just have to come here and then replace it by LED, right? And also here LED, here digital right, LED high. That means I turn it on. So you see they already put the comment, so you can easily understand what they mean by writing digital read. So here my LED is on, and then here I wait for 1 second, and then I come here. I should turn off my LED. Right now I compile my code, right? I should compile my code. My bad for that one because I don't want to save it right now. For this video I'm going to use Proteus, which is the software to simulate a code. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. My bad, I declared this here. It should be before this voice setup. My bad, I'm very sorry about it. You have to come here. It's before the voice setup. You put that here, and then you compile, and then boom. Since it's done, I told you that I'm going to use Proteus. So since it's done, I should go back to my Proteus. You can use Proteus, or maybe you can use ThinkCAD, which is online. It's also for Arduino. You can simulate also your Arduino there. So let me go to my Proteus, which is here. I have my Arduino Nano, which is here, and I have my resistor and my LED. Okay, now I have to set up which card I'm using. Okay, for that one I should come to tool, choose for the card I want to use. The one I want to use is Nano, and the processor should be the 328 odd bootloader. Okay, it's a Proteus I'm using. You can also use ThinkCAD, which is online, to simulate your Arduino board. Okay, let's move to our Proteus. As you can see, inside my Proteus, I have my Arduino Nano here. I have my resistor connected to my LED, and then my LED connected to the ground. If you remember, in the code we said that our LED is connected to which pin? 13, exactly. So what I have to do is I have to take the pin of my resistor like this and then connect it to the pin 13, right? And then we said that our LED, right, should blink, right, each 1 second. Okay, Now let's start, and then you see the result. And then boom, you see boom. Look how easy ChatGPT is making things right now. Look guys, things are coming easier now. Right now guys, what we're going to do, we're going to control the brightness of our LED, right? So let's go back to our ChatGPT. Boom, we are here on our ChatGPT, right? Now I'm going to ask the code to control the brightness of my LED. Okay, let's say Arduino code feed LED. We wait for a second. And then you see, you have our code here. Look guys, look how these things are making everything easier now. Easier guys, really easy. And then I forgot to tell you that at the end you have the explanation of each function. Look, they tell you what analog write is used for. They tell you delay, everything guys. And then even the explanation here, this could be called the LED to fade in and out indefinitely. To stop the fading, you can add the condition to exit the loop. So you see guys, now let's copy our code, and then we go back to our Arduino software interface. Okay, now we replace our previous code, we paste here. Okay, we compile. My bad. We compile, and then we wait for a second, and then compilation is done. We move to our proteus, and then the code say our LED should be connected to which pin? 9, exactly. Should be at the pin 9. So we connect, we run, and then we wait for the result. You see, look guys, look guys, look how things are easier now. Easy, really easy guys, really easy. Okay guys, I think for today's video, I think it's gonna be enough. Okay guys, I hope to see you in the next video, and then take care guys. See you after. Bye bye.